good day, sir. I am Rosana Rodriguez, and my task today is to report and to explain the exercise 7-1 number 15. So here is the problem. Carbohydrate grams in commercial subs. The number of grams of carbohydrates in various commercially prepared 7-inch subs is recorded below. The population standard deviation is 6.46. Estimate the mean number of carbs in all similarly sized subs with 95% confidence. So, makita na to na 35 ka row of data. So, ang kanang 35 is mao na ang atuang estimate size. So, next. So, given that we have the population standard deviation and we have a sample information from the question, a confidence interval can be defined from this calculation. And to proceed with this calculation is we need the criteria. First, the sample must be a random selection, in this case with method. Second, population must be normally distributed or the sample size must be greater than or equal to 30. So, we got to go on both of those criteria. So, X bar is the sample average. So, ang X bar dira is mo na siya ang sample average. And the Z sub A over 2 is the critical value. And the sigma here is the standard deviation, and the n is the sample size. So, na naman tay sample size and sigma, which is ang atong sample size is 35, tas ang atong sigma is kuan. Kanang naasa dihatag na ang sample size which is 6.46 ang atong sample size. So now ato na pong ikuha. So, ang ato na lang kuhaon is ang sample average and the capital X bar. So, first is find the mean for the data, which is ang atong mean is equal to 58.17. So, pagkuha sa mean is, ang ato lang i-add ang tanang data, then, atong i-divide sa 35, which is, nag-consume man siya og kanang 35 kabuk data man, so ato tong i-add tanan, then i-divide sa 35, din, nag-result siya og 58.17. So, na naman tayo standard deviation, which is the 6.46. Next is, find the A over 2. Since the 95% confidence interval is used to be 1 minus 0.95 equals 0.05, then A over 2 is equal to 0.05 divided by 2, which is equivalent to 0.025. So, maulon to siya no, ang pagkuha sa A over 2. Para, kay ato mang pangitaon na human naman nato pangita ang X bar, ato na pong pangitaan ang critical value. Pero bago na to makuha ang critical value, i-find na to ang si A over 2. Then next step is find the A over 2. So, ato nang diri na nato ma-find si critical value. Subtract 0.025 from 1.000 to get 0.975. So, atong gisubtract tong nakuha na to ganiha nga si A over 2 nga na sa step 2 din atong i-subtract sa 1.000, din nakuha na to ang 0.975 sa 975. So the corresponding z value obtained from the table E is 1.96. So naman na para ma-find na to si z score, ato din pangitaon sa table E si 0.975 nga nga nag-correspond niya nga z score, which is 1.96. So, last is, nakuha naman na to tanan, so, we can substitute this value in the calculation, which is in the formula. So, mo na siya ang formula to get the confidence interval. So we have the X bar, which is 58.17, and Z sub A over 2, which is the critical value, which is equivalent to 1.96. Then the sigma is 6.46. over square root of 35 less than mu less than 58.17 plus 1.96 times 6.46 over square root of 35. So ato na siyang i-calculate tanan, din mo na day na ang 58.17 minus 2.136 less than mu less than 58.17 plus 2.136. So makita na day na to ang result sa ato ang find nga solution, which is 56.034 mu less than 60.306. So it tells us, so according to our answers, it tells us that mu is between 56.0 grams and 60.3 grams. So it's important to summarize the solution. So to summarize the solution, hence we're 95% confident that the population mean lies between 56.0 grams and 60.30 grams. So statements saying so to summarize the solution with the statement saying that we're 95% confident that the population mean lies between 56.0 grams and 60.3 grams. So mao lang to ang pagkuha sa confidence interval. Thank you and God bless.